Before starting maintenance, ensure that the water supply and fertilizer supply valves are closed, and there is no pressure in the pump.
Disconnect the injection hose assembly from the water pipe. Remove the check valve from the injection pipe raccord nut. Insert the flow regulator capsule into the raccord nut, ensuring its protrusion faces the filter. Connect the raccord nut to the blue filter. Ensuring the filter is aligned with the direction of the arrow. Connect the filter assembly to the injection pipe, ensuring the filter's arrow is aligned with the direction of the fertilizer flow.